I'm on my way to go hiking with the group. We're gonna go to Simmons Pond.
Resealing the whole Parkway with the bluestone.
Go 500 feet of elevation change.
All right.
But it's gradual. What's somebody?
Is there a round trip? Yeah, I'm wondering.
You ready, you two? Yeah.
Terribly excited, do
I
they?
know. They just came in yesterday.
This is Simmons Pond right here. And we're on our way. There's 19 of us this morning from Land Harbor, and we're kind of all strung out along the trail. We kind of ended up into 3 groups. There's just the ones in front, in the middle, and the back. So that made it, weren't all in such a big group together. This is the trail. Oh, it's a beautiful morning. There's a lot of group still behind us.
I would like to be in control.
Look at all the moss.
You know what? Let's get a picture.
That's the Parkway there up above us. And the cars were going over it. This is pretty. We're back to the creek.
What are those called? They look like little baby orchids. Sure do. Oh,
I didn't
This is
see
jewel
any near
weed.
here, but they said they often grow.
We're coming out of the woods.
I didn't know that was that long. Just a little bit and then we are in the open.
Yeah, I think the trail goes right.
Oh, what a gorgeous sky, and I don't have my phone with me to take pictures.
But it didn't, you know, it wasn't like, it didn't stop me from doing anything. It just was ugly looking.
No.
These are pretty. It's like some kind of thistle.
Well, we can get some people in here for a photo.
Come on, show us.
This is ironweed. It used to grow in our meadows or fields in Ohio. I had to cut it with scissors. It's so hard to cut. There's a water trough for the cattle.
Yeah.
Cows use this trail too. Queen Anne's Place. There's our first trail marker. Get toward the end of the meadow. Apple tree.
Yeah. I have a bag of almonds. Almonds is in the presidential power book.
I'm going to start down now.
Wow.
That's, I love ferns. I always have loved ferns.
Beautiful. Trail's gotten a lot easier. No roots. Oh.
You don't need a nap. You
They
just
said
need
that's
cane.
called
I know.
running
I
cedar.
don't know enough of them yet, but
Well, you know more.
Nice.
here come Jeannie and Marianne. Yeah, let's wait for them so we don't look like we're. Did we lose somebody from the last group, or they're just slow?
Two groups behind us.
Oh, okay.
This is a good one.
It was 2 miles to
Does
this
that tell
tree.
you the altitude, or you just know that?
It does.
It tells you how much you climbed. So I don't know if
How many vertical feet?
44. I don't know how many, but it tells from.
We're leaving the forest again. The woods. I'm going into another field. Oh, we see a mountain.
Tie with us and tell us what mountain that is.
Which peaks they were. But that looks almost like a hawk's nest or something.
But
Hawksbill,
we're quite a ways
I
from
know,
that.
but it's got that same.
Yeah. All off on the one side.
Put that away.
The goldenrod is just starting to open. Goldenrod / ragweed. Back to the woods again. And roots.
Ditch.
We're back.
The dual purpose ditch. Yeah.
We came out on the opposite side of the road that we started on. This is the trail we took. The Simmons Creek Overlook. That's where we went under the Parkway. Here's where we started. And back there's where we came out. Way back there. After the hike, one of the couples organized a picnic. So we had hot dogs and potato chips and dip. And there was like a trail mix. It was all pretty good, and those hot dogs tasted really good. It was nice of them to do that. This is a pretty place for a picnic now that the hike is over. There's about 5 people that aren't back yet. There was one man who was having trouble with his feet, and so they're waiting for him to walk out, helping him.